Surprise for you.
Wait for numbers.
You don't know what's going on.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? The goat. What's happening? FxGoat in the motherfucking building. What's wrong? What's happening? Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir. Andy in the gang.
Yes, sir. What's going on, guys? If it's going to my fucking building, we're going up.
Yes, sir.
In the building, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number 7 in the building.
And number 7 is out.
Look at this motherfucker. Look at this motherfuckers. Guys, look at this motherfucker.
Hey guys, Andy's dropping next month, alright?
Know.
Stay tuned.
For sure.
Andy Banks, follow him. 5K followers he's dropping, alright?
Yeah, 5K followers we're dropping. That's my manager right there. Yep. Switch it up. We are here now.
We're here
guys,
now. R8.
Look.
R8.
Number 7.
Hey girls,
Yes,
I'm
finally
single.
alive.
Is this your guy single?
Yes, sir. Come play with the boys.
Number 7, guys. Number 7.
Let me show you guys this car.
Let me do
Step
this.
by-
I wanna do something. I wanna do something quickly here. I wanna say go back.
Because invite.
I wanna go back.
Who's came on my followers?
Yeah.
Jack, what else came on followers? Come to him.
When I meet the car, you're too late, dog. Look at him being too late.
The almighty Jaguar invite.
It's too much. It's too much.
Join the room.
You love scamming. The hard one.
22 inch.
It's too much.
One boys well.
Play with the boys.
There's the owner of the car.
Don't
This is my
fuck
man.
with
What
the
they doing?
goat.
What they doing? You already know.
Can't fuck with the goat. Can't fuck with the goat.
Yo, Andy, dog, you know this shit.
Hey!
What the fuck?
Hey! What's happening? What's happening? One more time. Hit that shit up. Hit that shit up.
Let's hear.
Hit that shit up.
Hit that
Hit
motherfucker.
that shit up.
Yo!
Everyone shutting down the country.
It's too
What's
much.
happening?
It's a lot.
What's happening?
Yo!
What's happening?
Shut up.
Let's go.
You arrest the king of kings. You already know what's going on. You already know.
Yo,
Man.
no, I don't know, man. It's too much.
I honestly don't know how I feel. This shit is crazy. I'm on my nigga here. This shit will pulling up, dog. You know.
My boy. Tapelo, do this. Wait. My man, do this. Request 20 minutes for then my ex gonna be all 3 of us. My man, can I do something?
Yeah.
Let me do this. Ex up here. Don't worry. Yeah. Don't worry. Yeah, I said it. Take this phone. Sharp.
Hey!
Guys, we're going hard now.
Hey!
Yo, guys. Whoever told you.
What's
Going hard.
happening?
What up, man? What up,
The
man?
goat is angry. The goat is angry.
Yo,
You see, 500. You know
My nigga,
500.
add me as well.
they do come
Yeah,
down.
Andy.
Yo!
They're sleeping on us.
Emmanuel.
Let me take the phone. That's right. Nah, it's yours. I'm inviting you.
Are you edit?
Yeah. Man, look,
The
bro.
goat.
If
This
you come
is
from
the
Nestle,
issue.
what up, guys? You wanna see the beast? You gotta do
This
more.
is
You guys wanna
the
see the
issue.
beast? Never mind the
Where's
situation.
Andy? Where are you?
I'm
You got
here.
it right, man.
I'm
Oh,
here.
You got it right.
Andy,
Look at
I'm
this.
here.
Andy,
Yo, I'm
Let's
here.
get it.
I'm
Yo,
crazy.
No.
yo,
Man,
crazy.
hit the
Can you
pipe.
press the pipe?
Hit the pipe.
Can you
Hit
kill
the
the
My
pipe.
nigga,
pipe?
it's
Hit
crazy.
the
Yo.
pipe. Hit
Yay.
the
Crazy.
pipe.
Yo.
Hit
It's
it.
crazy. It's crazy.
Crazy out here.
Isaac, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
Somebody,
Let's
Look at
go.
these niggas.
Sure.
What
Alright,
the
guys.
fuck?
Look
Alright,
at these niggas.
Alright, niggas. Niggas who are
What's
too much.
happening?
I don't
Niggas who are
know.
too much.
Aye.
Can't
I'm
fuck
gonna
with the
Manuel.
gold.
They
Can't
must
fuck
leave
with the
us
gold.
alone. They must leave us alone.
You can't fuck with the gold.
They must leave us alone.
You can't fuck with the
They
gold.
must leave us alone.
We don't play out here,
You
man.
can't fuck with the gold.
You already know what's going on, eh?
That old man is Java.
Y'all have been sleeping on us. And we've been
That
telling
old
you.
man is Java.
Y'all have been sleeping on us. We've been telling you.
What's happening?
It's burning. Never Instagram. It's burning. It's burning.
Are you niggas shutting down Instagram today?
Yo, I know it. Listen, man.
Diamonds, listen. Huh?
Oh, them niggas. Yo,
2.4 million.
Yo. Alright, guys. Forex. It can only be a best goal, guys. Come for it. That's all.
Yeah, send the video.
I'm out.
If you are going out, send the video.
Let me go out.
It is
Yo,
good vibe. Yeah, you have to say.
y'all so much. So love, peace and happiness. Let's get it.
My niggas, you always sleeping on us. Guys, we've been telling you.
That's it.
We've been telling you.
Okay, guys. I
Y'all
want
have
to
been
go
sleeping
off
on us.
nice. But they're calling me.
Hey, not yet. Not
Just now,
now.
I must step in the car, and there's something that I must see. Let me just press the camera there. Let me just press the camera. How do I open the window? Yo. Somebody
Professional driver right here.
sick.
Obviously, our one and only.
Yo. In the building,
Yo. Hey, Mohammed is crazy. Mohammed is crazy.
Yo, 100 seconds.
Hey.
Mohammed is crazy.
go
You know him. Man, the tip is inside.
Driver, I'm scared where I am right now. I'm very scared.
Talk to us the speed.
So I get experience, though.
Talk to us the speed.
So as the experience, you see.
I will show you. Don't worry.
Man, they train I8.
They still an I8,
They
man.
for God.
Number 6 is an I8.
Number 6 is an I8. Number 7
Is the
is
N1 behind us?
Number 8.
I think it's starting with an R. Come to you what an R8. Okay, sure. Let's wait for traffic. Let's go check out number 6.
Number 6.
Yeah,
This is number 6.
Here in the building, you already know what's going on.
This number
You
6.
see this one right here?
Oh.
Butterfly close on the motherfucker, you already know.
Number 6.
Damn.
He left with the keys, ne?
It is. Yo, but he left with the keys. Yo. Tip is busy dying, he dead, though. Yo. Guys.
TP, why did you leave with the keys, man?
I saw my life lesson.
Yo, my nigga.
Why did you leave with the
That's
keys,
no,
man?
Nigga,
That's
are you
going on right now. Takes courage.
Come back, you.
Takes courage to follow your dreams.
Yo,
man.
bro.
Takes courage
You don't play
to be
with this.
persistent. Takes courage to believe in yourself.
Exactly.
Courage to be successful. It's too much. Niggas.
Yo, shit,
What's
man.
happening?
Woo.
Yo, aye.
It's too much. That's crazy. Unfortunately, we don't have the keys. Yo, dog. Yo, niggas. Come back here, man. Let's do something.
We are kings of bank.
We are coming. We are coming.
We are kings of bank account.
We are coming.
Just
Cool.
like
TP, I want the keys now.
Yo. Everyone's going in the building. You don't know what's going on. Out of here. FxGoat, man. FxGoat.
Send it.
Now,
Oh, it's still there.
they said we are the kings of Instagram. As we are the kings of bank account.
There's no one.
That's why our cars are always on some elevated vision. You see, there's number 6, number 7 is coming now. People like
Yo, Diego. Yo, I can't believe this shit.
Dog, yo. Worldwide,
my nigga.
Gun boys.
You already know.
Behind us is an i8, guys.
Imagine.
Behind us is an i8, as you can see. Behind us is an i8.
What else but the ball?
The
What
valve.
else but FxGoat, man? I can't believe this, man.
Can't believe it.
Yo,
I can't believe it. Damn, we didn't even play music. Fuck it.
Yo,
we
we
do
don't know how to connect.
I don't know. I also don't know.
Let's have problems.
Guys, if I press here, probably changes the mode. I don't know. But Palisa, increase the volume. Crack, break. Hey, valve potholes, but we have money. We're gonna fix these things. Should we buy the road too?
I'm still trying to learn this shit.
Still trying to learn it. Hey, go nicely, man. Hey, yeah, hey. Don't worry about speed. Now let's cruise.
Yeah.
Let's cruise. We don't wanna die. There's an i8 behind me, guys.
No.
Look at the eyes of the i8.
No.
Look at these.
Hey, no.
Pretty prints. Yo. Hey, Emmanuel Forex. Hey.
I've been doing this shit with the R.
Oh, with the R.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's still an R.
It's still an R. But a better R.
Don't worry, we're driving slow, chill.
Driving slow.
Just exhaust.
Just exhausted.
Yeah, I don't have to race.
Do whatever.
Nah.
No, you're in your own league.
They already know.
They already know.
They don't know what's going on. Hey. Hey. And we have an Audi-R8 in the front.
Exactly, an Audi-R8 in the front.
Fathers.
Fathers of the road.
Hey. Hi.
Where is Andy? He's at the front, innit?
So I try to connect.
No, I can't connect because I'm live and my phone switched off.
Okay,
So we're gonna connect when we get home.
Next time.
Yeah, when we get home.
Next time. Okay. Yo, finally, dog. Yo.
Hey, this thing is powerful. Yo. It's so nice, ne? Hey! Emmanuel, me, I'm scared.
It's just a vibe.
Guys,
it's not speed.
Guys, I'm scared. The Malume is scared. You see, when kids are doing their things, I get scared.
I've learned everything.
You've learned it?
Everything. And I've watched 1,000 videos.
1,000 videos, ne?
1,000 videos.
Checking your dream.
Checking the dream car.
How close
Checking
you
me
are.
driving my car.
Checking me driving your dream car.
Hey,
Emmanuel, hey.
You see that's how you do it?
I'm scared.
Press, you let go.
Oh.
It doesn't speed. It just does the
just does the
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just like this. See?
Oh, this is what niggas do, ne? Oh.
Yeah. You don't speed, just...
I know, don't worry, I'll take it for a spin now. I'll know.
Easy boy.
Guys, number 7 is out. FxGoat number 7 is out. Number 7. Number 8 is coming again. Me, I'm even scared to tell you what's next. Because every time when I tell you, you niggas, I'm scared. Close the window. It's bad. And then there's Emmanuel Tepel at the back. Guys, it's too much. I'm even scared to tell you what's next.
Yo, mama, we made it.
Mama, we made it for real.
Yo.
Hey. Mama, we made it. Hey.
We made it.
Niggas. The experience is too much, man. Experience is too much, man. Congratulations to my nigga. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Hey, okay. Guys, the best FxGoat twins. The best twins that trade Forex in the whole world.
Trade Forex, dog.
Trade Forex.
Forex will change your life.
You're gonna have an i8, you're gonna have an R8. All about the 8. I'm coming with an RS8.
It's not possible. It's not possible.
When we started, they said it's not possible. When we started,
they were lying.
They were lying.
It's a lie. It's not true.
Hey, people are respecting us on the road. You know? Look at what's happening. Hey, wait for this motherfucker to pass. Yeah. Hey, there's that motherfucker, man.
Which one?
Because we must enter it.
No, we go straight and we've got these potholes.
Oh, we go straight.
Take it by VT.
Or by VUT. Okay, sharp. Oh, we take it by VUT.
Yeah.
Hey, then that's nice. VUT, stand up. We're coming. VUT stand up, we coming.
Every blessing is a
Every
curse, man.
yeah. VUT stand up. FxGoat is coming
About to
right
pass,
now.
my nigga.
VUT stand up, we
Man,
coming.
This guy is crazy, man. I'm scared of it.
You scared of it, man?
I'm scared.
It's too nice
Yo,
for you.
yo.
Oh,
Very.
very.
Hey. Yo. Ororo. Mahala. That's what I
didn't appreciate it. Next time. These niggas are scammers. Scam you on the road. Hey.
Hey, but guys, you don't carry cash, guys. You have to
We don't carry cash. Yo. We carried cash. We saw what was happening.
Hey.
Hey, we no longer carry cash. Hey, cash for who?
For what?
This is the nick.
God bless
If your
you.
role model doesn't look like this, I don't know. If your role model, you're saying you have role model traders. If they don't look like this, I don't know. I don't know. Stop saying people are your role models. These are the role models. Niggas who came from rest to riches. Let's go, boy. Let's feel it. Yo, hey, boy, it's nice. Hey, TP will complain.
Okay.
Let's go, nice.
Let me take it off.
Take it off, yeah, take it off. Yo! What are you doing, man?
Yo, man. It's crazy. Okay, sharp. You're on sport mode.
Oh, sports mode.
There's a thing.
Slow down.
Lock,
Hey,
yeah.
slow down. Hey.
Sport mode is
A lock. Oh!
I have to unlock it.
Have to unlock it.
So when I speed it,
It just okay. Hey, dog. Hey, Emmanuel. Hey, I'm not gonna relax. Hey, I almost died with a golf. I'm not gonna relax. Hey, me. I'm not gonna relax. Slow down, boy. Hey, boy. Stop. Boy. I'm going off the live. Slow down. I'm telling you. How? Slow down. I cannot die on a V10.
No, give to
Hey, boy. Hey, no. You're gonna do this alone when I'm not there. Me, I still have also few millions on my account to spend.
now because you pass BT, we take it slow.
Yeah, you take it slow.
Because it's cruising.
Yeah, because cruising bitches must see me. Okay, let me open the window.
Let's open the
Bitches must see me. Guys, I'm about to pass VUT. Bitches, look at me.
I put it to come forward.
But the Jaguar is scared. Hey, Jaguar is scared. Hey, guys, me, I'm from a tragic accident. I'm still scared. Yeah, your trauma, it's still there, yo.
Post-traumatic.
Still scared. Hey.
It's real that thing.
VUT, we here.
Hey, now we take it slow.
VUT, we here.
Are you gonna find me on the slow day?
Yeah,
Not
go
because
find me
I
on
can
the
speed.
Yes.
That's because you're cruising.
VUT, we here. We saw some nice cars there passing by VUT. So here we are again. Hey, look at that boy. Look at that boy. He just took his hands into his head. He's just traumatized the boy. Look at how traumatized the boy is. Mama, we made it. Hey, Mama, we made it.
Music, man.
Dog. That's the thing, dog. Hey. Yo.
It's too much, guys. We still have to learn this car.
Yeah, I still have to learn it. We're gonna YouTube it and know it better.
Yeah.
You must buy it.
Jack, let's connect via Bluetooth.
Via Bluetooth. Okay, let me leave the live then.
Okay, sharp.
Goodbye.
Next time, guys, shout out.
Goodbye, guys.
bless you all.
Goodbye.
So love.
Goodbye.
So love, bro. So love this side.
Goodbye, guys. Take care.